Okay, listen, this is the question here. Three capacitors, each of capacitance 9 picofarad PF, are connected in series. What is the total capacitance of the combination? And what is the potential difference across each capacitor if the combination is connected to a 120 volt supply? So these three capacitors are connected in series. They have same capacitance value. C is 9 picofarad and 120 volt is the supply voltage. You remember in series combination, the value of one capacitor is C is equal to 9 picofarad. So 9 into 10 raised to minus 12, converting picofarad into farad, multiplied by 10 raised to minus 12 farad. Okay, supply voltage is 120, and if capacitors are connected in series, what is the equation? Equivalent capacitance equal to?
So C by N.
If same magnitude, if the capacitors are having same magnitude, same value, we can use the simplified equation C equivalent equal to C by N, where C is the value of one capacitor, N is the number. So here each capacitor is 9 picofarad. So 9 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad. And how many numbers of capacitors are there? One is 9 picofarad, 3 are there, so N equal to 3. So 9 by 3 is equal to 3. 3 into 10 raised to minus 12 is the net capacitance. 3 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad is the equivalent capacitance of the combination, CEQ. This is the first bit answer. The first bit of the question is what is the total capacitance of the combination. Second bit of the question is, B bit is, what is the potential difference across each capacitor if the combination is connected to 120 volt. You know that in series combination potential difference will be different, V1, V2, V3, and when we add all three, V1 plus V2 plus V3, that will be equal to applied voltage. But here, since capacitors are having same capacitance value, they will have equal potential difference. The 120 will be, the applied potential difference 120 volt will be equally divided among these three. Which equation we can use for getting the potential difference across each capacitor? Which equation? Equation for capacitance C is equal to Q by V. V is equal to Q by C. And Q we need to get first of all, isn't it? We don't have the Q value. Okay. For getting the Q value, you need to take the equivalent capacitance of the entire capacitors. You can find the total charge in the combination Q equal to CV. In that CV, we have to take C equivalent into V. What the point? The total charge in the combination can be obtained Q equal to C equivalent into V. If you replace these three capacitors by a single capacitor of 3 picofarad, 3 PF, and how much charge will be stored in that, that is Q, is equal to, what is C equivalent value? 3 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad into what is the voltage applied between the resultant capacitor? 120 volt. 120 volt. That is equal to how much? 360 into 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb. Or we can write 3.6 into 10 raised to how much? Minus 10 coulomb. This will be the total charge on this complete combination, all the three capacitors together, and also for each capacitor. You remember that one. If you take only first capacitor, that also will have 3.6 into 10 raised minus 10 coulomb. And if you take all the three, then also 3.6 into 10 raised minus 10 coulomb. Now we can find out the potential difference across each capacitor. For finding potential difference across each capacitor, we can use the equation V equal to Q by C. What will be the charge on each capacitor? Charge on each capacitor is equal to charge on the total network in series combination. That point you have to remember. So potential across first one capacitor V will be equal to Q for each capacitor will be equal to the total charge in the network. 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 in coulomb. Divided by C is how much?
9 into 10 raised to minus 12.
9 into 10 raised to minus 12. Minus 12 and minus 10 cancel. 2 minus 2 is remaining here. Okay. Then that minus 2 will take it to numerator become 100. 10 raised to 2. That 100 when we multiply with 3.6 we will get 360, correct? divided by 9. What is 360 by 9? 40 volt. You can see here each capacitor will have a potential difference of 40 volt. Because they are same capacitance, this is 40 volt, this also 40 volt. Means this 120 is equally divided, this also 40 volt. When you add these three, 40 plus 40 plus 40, how much?
120 volt.
Yeah, that is the applied voltage is equally divided among the three capacitors because they have same capacitance value. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.